Christmas is a time for reflection and celebration, gathering with families and friends. Many of you will soon be taking a well-deserved break. However, some will not have that luxury, on duty in the UK and overseas, protecting our nation and allies. To you especially, and your families, friends and loved ones who will miss you this Christmas, thank you for all you're doing on behalf of the Royal Air Force and the nation. Wherever you spend Christmas, I hope you'll take time to relax and reflect on all you've done and contributed this year. 2022 has been an extraordinary year of achievement for the Royal Air Force, protecting our skies and overseas territories, monitoring threats to our interests in space, patrolling our seas, bolstering our NATO allies, and doing everything we can to support Ukraine's heroic defence against Russian aggression. We celebrated Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee, then joined the world in mourning her sad passing. We have also faced challenges this year, criticism and legitimate questions about how we increase our diversity, and high-profile cases of unacceptable behaviours. We have learnt, adapted and continue to improve as an organisation, and with that we are better prepared for whatever the future might bring. So whether it's coping with challenges or delivering phenomenal operational output, none of it happens by accident. It's down to all of you across the whole force, regular, reserve, civil servant and industry partners. It's your dedication, initiative and leadership. So thank you for getting the job done again and again, achieving exceptional things in the service of our country. Have a Merry Christmas and a happy and healthy 2023.